In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a case statement in Tableau quickly and effectively. Writing a case statement can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and understanding, it becomes manageable and intuitive. So, let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you want to open the Tableau application. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download it from the Tableau website and follow the installation instructions. Once you've got Tableau up and running, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, when you open Tableau, you'll be greeted by the home screen where you can see all your recent workbooks. You'll want to navigate to the workbook you're interested in using. This allows you direct access to the dataset on which you want to apply your case statement. It's important to choose the correct workbook to ensure your data analysis is accurate and aligned with your objectives. Once you have your workbook open, we can continue. Next, locate the section within your workbook where you wish to apply the case statement. This could be a worksheet where you intend to visualize your data. To do this, you'll need to right-click within the data pane area on the left side of the screen. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options, giving you more control over your data analysis experience in Tableau. From that context menu, you're going to select Create Calculated Field. This is an essential feature in Tableau as it allows you to perform calculations on your data, thereby enabling you to derive new insights or create new dimensions and measures that can be used in your data visualizations. With the Calculated Field window open, you'll now type in your formula. This is where the magic happens. In the formula section, you'll write your case statement. Now, the basic syntax for a case statement in Tableau is quite straightforward. You start with the word case, followed by the field you're evaluating. Then, specify the conditions you're interested in by using when, followed by the condition, and then followed by the result you want if the condition is met. You can repeat the when and then segments to handle multiple cases. Finally, use the end keyword to conclude your case statement. It might look something like this: case, field, when value 1, then result. When value 2, then result 2. End. Once you've entered your formula, give your calculated field an appropriate name, reflecting what it represents in your analysis. And don't forget to click OK to save it. This calculated field can now be dragged into your view, just like any other field for use in your visualizations. And there you have it, a basic introduction to writing a case statement in Tableau. With practice, this will become second nature, providing you with powerful functionality to better analyze and visualize your data. Thanks for watching, and happy data exploring!